Imagine a passenger aircraft that quietly marks a turning point for an entire aviation industry. At the end of 2025 in Kazan, the modernized TU-214 received certification for a major design modification, and that moment carried far more weight than a routine technical approval. It signaled that Russia's civil aviation sector is entering a new phase, one defined by technological independence and long-term industrial ambition. The updated TU-214 is not just an improved version of an existing aircraft. It represents a deliberate shift away from reliance on foreign suppliers, especially in the most sensitive and critical onboard systems. For years, modern passenger aircraft around the world depended on a narrow circle of international manufacturers for avionics, navigation, and safety electronics. The TU-214 now breaks that pattern by flying with an almost entirely domestic electronic backbone. One of the most important changes is the complete replacement of onboard radio electronic equipment. The aircraft is now fitted with a fully integrated Russian-made avionics suite that brings together communication, navigation, flight control, and safety systems into a single unified architecture. This includes indigenous airborne collision avoidance systems and ground proximity warning systems, technologies that are essential for flight safety and were once produced globally by only one foreign company. These systems have already passed testing, proven their reliability, and received full certification. From a technical perspective, this is a major milestone. Developing and certifying such systems is among the most complex tasks in civil aviation. Their successful integration into the TU-214 confirms that domestic engineering capabilities have reached a level where they can meet strict safety and operational standards without external support. This also opens the door for these same systems to be used across other Russian aircraft programs, creating standardization and reducing long-term maintenance and development costs. Certification by the Federal Air Transport Agency officially cleared the way for serial production. Plans call for a steady increase in output, starting with limited numbers and gradually reaching up to 20 aircraft per year by 2027. This is a significant change for the TU-214, which in the past was produced in small batches mainly for government or specialized use. The current strategy focuses on stable, large-scale production aimed at supplying domestic airlines with locally built aircraft. The economic impact could be substantial. Increased production means new jobs, stronger regional industry, and growth across supply chains that include electronics, software, materials, and precision manufacturing. At the same time, domestic production reduces exposure to currency fluctuations and external political pressure, an issue that has become increasingly important in recent years. Challenges remain. Skilled labor shortages, factory modernization, and supply chain logistics continue to limit production speed. However, state support and long-term planning suggest these issues are being addressed step by step. In the bigger picture, the modernized TU-214 stands as more than a single aircraft program. It reflects a strategic effort to rebuild and secure civil aviation capabilities for decades ahead. If production targets are met and the new systems perform reliably in daily operations, the TU-214 could become a cornerstone of fleet renewal and a clear symbol of technological self-reliance in modern aviation.